desk, and he doesn't have good news for us, in my opinion.
Your opinion, yes.
Yeah.
I do not have very good news because it's December and we're going to be in the upper 70s as we head into tomorrow. We're already in the 70s.
That's not right.
Yeah, unless you're bringing disco back, 70s are not appropriate for December. I mean, we're just staying alive here, am I right?
We're trying to, barely. Alive, but we're barely breathing. There we go. That's another song, not a 70s song, but hey.
All right, well.
All right.
Yeah, disco's dead, y'all. Breaking news right there. Tyler, this is our Tyler Tower Cam, I should say. Not at Tyler Pounds Airport. Of course, this is in the South Loop, Loop 323, looking off to the northwest. Tyler Pounds Airport's probably, it's several miles to the northwest of this. But hey, we do have a little bit of sun in Tyler, which is not the greatest news in the world, which it just means we're just going to get warmer today. We're in the upper 60s and lower 70s right now. It's 72 in Crockett. We're at 73 in Lufkin. And as you can see, our temperature change over the last 24 or so hours, we're trending much warmer. Warm front moved through last night, and that's not only introduced the warmer temperatures, well, it's more humid. We've got a lot of Gulf moisture. Look at Crockett's dew point, 70 degrees. We typically see that in the month of August, not the month of December, but well, we have it and we got to deal with it, unfortunately, but we'll get through it. And we do have a cold front in the forecast. It's just going to take a while. We hit 74 for a high temperature today. Tonight, we're down to about 66, about a 20% chance at a light shower or two. Here's today's weather setup. As you can see, an area of high pressure will start to build. As a result, that is ramping up the Gulf moisture and sending it right into our region. That along with our southerly winds. So I'm going to at least keep the mention of drizzle in the forecast for that reason, and Futurecast is picking up on it. So even if it's not raining right now, it's a good idea to have the jacket on standby, the rain jacket on standby for the afternoon, because we will see a few passing drizzle showers here and there. That's not a meteorological term. I just made that up. But drizzle possible, maybe a little bit of light rain. It really doesn't amount out to very much. A 1/100th of an inch if you are lucky here. Only about 20% of us will see the rainfall today. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, not going to rule out some fog if the wind is light enough. We continue with the drizzle, or at least the mention of drizzle through tomorrow morning. We get a break tomorrow afternoon with a few more breaks in the clouds, and then we could see more significant rainfall. We got two pretty decent shots of rain. Thursday for one. Perhaps not as widespread, but these showers and thunderstorms could be a little more potent. Could see some lightning, some gusty winds as well. So we'll keep an eye on that for you. I just don't anticipate severe weather at this point, or at least a very minimal severe weather chance. But as we head into Friday and Saturday, rain chances will increase because a cold front's going to move through the area, and as a result, we're going to see heavier rainfall totals. I stopped this on Sunday because that's when I expect that rain to ultimately move out. So here's how that looks on your 7-day forecast. Slight chance of rain today, more of a drizzle event. Showers increase for your Thursday, maybe a storm or two with some gusty winds. Friday, we continue with those rain chances, colder with rain for your Saturday. And then for deep East Texas, similar trend, morning showers. So we head into Wednesday, 80 degrees, 70s return Thursday and Friday. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to KETK.com.